Hello, my name is Matt Knopf. I'm with a company called PNG Technologies out of Michigan. We're a supplier of propane and natural gas kits for generators and small engines. Today we're going to be doing an example conversion for propane on a Powerhouse 1000 WI inverter. Little small generator, compactable, they're a great little unit for camping. So we decided to do this unit. So after we do our video, if you'd like, you can go to our website at www.pngtechnologies.com, or you can reach us at 734-992-2648. Okay, now we're going to begin by removing the cover of the unit. Get access to our carburetor and our air cleaner and get that off there. Okay, now what I did first is I installed a bulkhead fitting on here. And the reason why I do that is it just makes it easier so you can remove your cover, have access to your oil. A lot of other companies will drill a hole through here and just run the hose through. I found it a little bit more elaborate to do this, but I like this design a little bit better. I think it makes it easier for everybody else. So what I did was I just measure over 2 inches from the leg peg here, marked my center on the 2 inches, dropped it down 5/8 from the inch from the little tab here, the lip, marked my hole. I drilled it with a 7/8 hole saw, tightened it up, installed my fittings in the back, very simple, locked it all down. Okay, now that we let our hose soak a little bit, dry her off, blow through it a little. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up about 1.5 inches from the bottom of this, just so we got enough to slip it on one side and the other. Okay, now here is the shutoff. Got that. Okay, and we'll put the other end on there. Okay. Slide that on there. They're real simple. You don't need hose clamps for these because they're barbed. So, but the ones that they put on theirs are not hose barbed, so I just reuse their clamps on it. So slide them back on. Slide it back on the carburetor fuel inlet there. Slide your clamp back up. Alright, got that. Now we'll do put the filter back on. Use the hose clamp again. Finger clamp. Okay, we got that. Now we'll just tuck that back in there. And we got our shutoff valve here now. That way we can shut, if we're running propane, we shut the gasoline off, vice versa. Shut the propane off, turn this on, you can run gasoline. That's that. Okay, the next step is we're going to go ahead and install the thin propane adapter here. So let's put the gasket back on here. Now what we do is we pre-assemble these. So you don't need a hose clamp down for this bottom. Again, also what you're going to connect to back here is a barb. There's like 3 of them on there. So, and you're only talking 6 ounces of pressure here. After that high pressure regulator, you're at 6 ounces. So, okay, let's go ahead and install this down here. Now we're going to just push it on that, the fitting back here, before we slide the adapter on. So let's go ahead and push that on. Okay, now we can go ahead and install the adapter. All right, we got that. Push her back, put the other gasket on. Now we go back to our air cleaner box. Now remember, you got this tube here that you got to slide on first for your breather. So put that on there. Bring your hose clamp back on. Okay, now we'll go ahead and install that. Make sure your gas where you can still get that, maneuver that. Okay, now we'll get these started. All right, get the other one on here. Just press her back. Alright, then we'll go ahead and tighten them down. Don't want to overslug them, just get them, you're dealing with plastic here, but just make sure your studs are sticking out far enough to the way you got from clearance. So now we're going ahead, we can go ahead and make sure your shutoff's off, which is off now. I did that. On is back, this way, off. Okay, and then we'll reinstall our cover. That is all assembled. That is how simple that is. A matter of putting this back on, you're done on the inside. Have all your choke lines up. That's what's nice about it. You're not messing with anything that the manufacturer did. So it makes it real nice. We'll get that on there. Okay, now we're ready to try to run this thing. All I did was hook up the propane line. All this is pre-assembled. Now this unit here will come with all your POL connections, your high pressure regulator, your low pressure regulator, and your power adjustment. This is going to be your only adjustment you have, and this is a crucial adjustment. It sets your idle and your high speed. So basically it just sets your idle at a mid, so you're good to go on that. So what I do is I loosen up the jam nut on it. Just a little adjustment there, pull it back. And it's a rope pull, so sometimes these can be real stubborn, sometimes you can get real lucky. Now we preset these, so don't, when you loosen that jam nut, don't try to move that too much, because we got it kind of in line. So, and on the back of this there's a primer button. Just hit it for a second, enough for the fuel to burst in there. After your initial start, you shouldn't have to do that, because you're just bleeding the air out of the line basically. So let's give it a shot. Turn the propane on. Just a little shot there. Okay, there we go. That is now propane running. So it's kicking up on high idle. I'm not going to touch it right now because that's factory set. Let's run it to idle. Sounds good there. Now what I'll do, just hook a little power to it. I just use a little saw, just something I can make sure it kicks up and runs alright. No overkick, as long as good. So okay, that's that step there. Go ahead and shut our propane off. Push the saws out. Okay, there's an example design of a Powerhouse 1000 WI. Again, my name is Matt Nolf. I'm with PNG Technologies out in Michigan. You can reach us at www.pngtechnologies.com or call us anytime, 734-992-2648. Thank you very much. I appreciate you watching this video.